What's up, everybody? Brian from OLegendStudios here, and our next video was shot last year right here in Juniper Park during a crazy blizzard. A good friend, Pravin from Pravin TV, was kind enough to come down during the storm and help us shoot this next Nerf War. And because you guys have been asking for more Nerf Wars, we're going to give you another Nerf War. I hope you guys really like it. Keep in mind, we were absolutely freezing during this episode, but I hope it was worth it. I'll see you guys at the end of the episode. Enjoy. Captain Spider-Man, great job taking down the Winter Soldier. It's unclear why he attacked you, so please bring him in for questioning. And do it right away, because I'm afraid we have bigger trouble ahead. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. And if you'd be so kind, please click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you receive an alert every time we post a new video. I want to thank you all for all your support. I appreciate every bit of it. Thank you guys so much. I love you all, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care.